My channel. So today we are going to see stocks. We'll start with price action in the TradingView website. So markets were down today. So we'll check the watch list first, what happened in the EOD. So you could see everything was either V-shaped recovery or sideways for index, and then the stocks, Reliance was bleeding, that's why Nifty was also bleeding, but HDFC and ICICI, they were at critical support, so it's being sideways at its support. Okay, now we'll go and check the individual chart. Okay, so I'm going to take July month chart, so to be easy. So one has the June month's lines, and the other one we have July month line. So we'll take from May itself, okay, and try to analyze what has happened. So you see here, this is May month, this is June month, and this is July month. Okay, so May month resistance was strong, respected by June month as well. Support was also strong, respected very well, and then here fib retracement of 50% was respected, and this was a breakout zone. And then again here facing resistance for July month, open was here and this was the support. So currently trading at its support, or we can take this as a retracement as well. So let's see if it has the scope of going up. Now we have HDFC Bank, so we'll take again May month, June month, and July month. Okay, so this is July, June, and May. Okay, so May month completely inside range, June month a breakout failure, and then again took support of the May month, and this was trying to do a straight breakout but couldn't sustain, and now it's in the retracement phase and also at its critical support. This is actually resistance turned into support, okay, for HDFC Bank. Now we'll go to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank after April's breakout, it's looking very pathetic. So this is May, June, and July. Okay, so completely inside the sideways. So this was a V-shaped recovery, and now it's trying to go down but at its critical support. So this is also the May, June support, and July it's taking the support. So let's see if something happens in ICICI. Okay, now we'll go and see other stuff. So first we'll cover with the close range OI. So I'm taking Nifty Trader website. Let me go and take Reliance first. So this is Reliance, and then you could clearly see market is facing resistance for Reliance. Okay, and then we will take HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is also, call writers are going on adding their positions, which is equal to building up more of a resistance. Okay, now we'll have ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank also similar kind of situation. Now we'll check for closer range straddles. So first one is Reliance. Okay, so this is going to be the range for this week, max pain and lot size. Okay, when you check OTM, here it's 18 and here it is 69. So too much call writing, I told you. That means resistance is very strong in the market unless until some good profit booking comes. You see put side profit booking is happening and call side some serious addition is happening. Okay, though the OTM is doing its profit booking. We'll check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. You see here 18 and 39. Exactly addition of call writing creates resistance, and this is going to be the range. And then when you see which is going to be the strong resistance, this is going to be the strong resistance because 10,000 is been added more. Okay, now we'll see ICICI. If 2020 is getting crossed, then you can see a very good chance of HDFC going up. So when you check OTM, 8 and 23, so clearly resistance is more, and especially 3700. So 50 is going to be our good resistance, and this is the range. So if price action goes above 50, then you could see market can be trending, and 700 is the lot size. We'll go to straddle. So remember the lot size. Reliance has 500, and HDFC has 550, ICICI has 700. That you can do a second confirmation as well. So let's just do a small price action comparison here. So first I'm going to take Reliance. So let's take Reliance R. Okay, so I'm going to take Reliance here. So this is 1 hour chart. Let me shift to 15 minutes chart to understand what intraday has to say. So you could clearly see on 11th, that is Friday, it was a gap down and straight away down, went sideways. And then again today 14, that is Monday, again a small profit booking, and then downtrend has been continuing here. Okay, so now let's take the open price. Open was 90. Okay, so 1490. Let's take the red line. So you could see it is a loss because open is 46 and close is 47. So how much is the loss? One lot of Reliance is 700. So it is a minus decay of -1. Okay, so this times this is actually minus 700 plus tax and brokerage is our loss if somebody would has taken one lot. Okay, so now you can actually do a back testing for 2 lots, 3 lots, or how many ever you want. So this is the simple calculation, because you see it was clearly downtrend, and also sideways in the second half was with a smaller range. Okay, and then you see here it was sideways, then breakdown, and then trying to be sideways, but majorly the price action has shifted to the downtrend. Okay, now let's go and check for HDFC Bank. So for one thing I have told you how to calculate. For the next stocks you have to calculate by yourself. Okay, so this is HDFC Bank, and then you could clearly say the price action. Okay, for the 15 minutes it's a U-shaped recovery, 80 exactly. So this is a profitable trade because open is 59, close is 58, 59. Okay, good for first week. The decay can be seen in the later part of the month or the last 15 days. Sorry. Now ICICI Bank open was 20. So this is a loss. Okay, no loss, no profit zone, but we'll consider as loss. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you.